great boat for the summer, then come with me on this walk-around tour on this Yamaha 2013 AR240 sport boat with the high output engines. She's on a tandem axle trailer, neat, clean, waiting for the next owner. This gives us a nice side view. Notice that nice clean hull, no bottom paint, great galvanized trailer with aluminum diamond step plate fenders. Here we are at the transom, where we see we've got twin jet drives on this, our boarding ladder, nice rubberized swim platform, deck storage, and Yamaha's done a great job here with these pop-up cleats. Let's go aboard. Here we are, starting off at the bow of the boat. Notice we have a nice step area with a forward boarding ladder right underneath. Moving down along the side, we've got these pop-up cleats, and this gives us an overall view of the bow. Moving back, you see we've got a nice curved windshield and the aluminum arch with a forward bimini on the boat. This 2013 AR240 is very well powered with twin high output engines. Here at the transom, notice we've got two levels, great arrangement to sit and put on our skis. There's also a swim boarding ladder there, grab rail, and a table mount so we can have our beverages here. Also, here at the transom, we have our stereo control. Let's go on board. Notice Yamaha has added padding back here for aft-facing seats. This whole area is a great space for more use. Moving forward, this gives us a cockpit overview. Moving forward, we see we've got lots of seating for family and friends. We have the movable cocktail table set up, and the companion seat we have opened up for a lounge. Notice we've got some great appointments here. Yamaha has that luxury look. Notice multicolored vinyl, and it looks more like an automobile helm. We've got our swivel seat right here with the thigh-rise bolster, and when it's time to drive, we just spin her around. Got our dual shifter throttles right there, tilt steering wheel, all of our gauges within line of sight and easy reach, Clarion stereo right there. Moving forward, we have a ski locker, full length, goes all the way forward here. Right behind the console, we have a storage area, and then a wind. This doubles as a dam door right here. Keeps us warmer, blocks the wind at the end of the day. Forward, you see we've got our seating, step, that's bow step I mentioned earlier. Yamaha adds these headrests. Yamaha adds these headrests here, which actually fold down underneath. Moving back, we have storage area And this is a ladies like it feature. There's a nice porta-potty in there for comfort. Got high degree of visibility forward and aft for skiers, wakeboarders, and a nice padded area here to lounge out and enjoy the day. This vessel comes with a tandem axle, galvanized trailer with surge brakes, low hours, less than 90 hours, viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.